Here's how to fix low call volume on your iPhone. Now, if somebody's calling you on your iPhone and you're trying to hear what they say, but it's just not loud enough, there are a bunch of steps that you can go through to definitely get that fixed. I'll walk you through all of those. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is hop into the settings on your phone, and we're going to scroll down until we find accessibility and tap on that. Now, once we're in here, you can see midway down is touch. Let's tap on that and let's scroll to the very bottom and you can see call audio routing. Now, if I tap on that, the key here is what you're looking for it to be automatic. Now, if you have it set to Bluetooth headset or speaker, then automatically when you get a call, it will route the audio to that speaker or whatever. But you want to basically set it to automatic. That means if you have your AirPods in or headphones in, it will automatically route it to that. But if you don't have anything like that, it will route it to the speakers on your phone. Now that we've done that, let's go back and back again. And we're going to tap on, if we scroll down, hearing devices. Now, sometimes this turns on, but you can see hearing aid compatibility. If you do have hearing aids, of course, turn that on. But if you don't, make sure that is not turned on, because if you do have it on, basically it will route all of that audio to a hearing aid device. So those are two things that you can look for on here. Let's go back and back again. And now what we're going to do is tap on this sounds and haptics. And then headphone safety at the very top. And you can see reduced loud sound. So this limits how loud the speakers can get on your iPhone or headphones, whatever you're making the call on. So I recommend either toggling that off, or if you don't necessarily want that off, you could always just bump it up to a little bit louder to allow a louder sound to come through when you're calling. Basically, this prevents anything over that number of decibels from coming through. So those are a few different things that we've done in the settings on your phone. There are a few other things that you should do as well. So you can see on the side of your phone, there's a little toggle button. What we're going to do is toggle it towards you. And then we're going to take that volume button and we're going to turn it all the way up. So basically turn up the volume all the way on the physical buttons themselves. And then next we're going to swipe down from the top right. And you can see that volume slider. Let's turn that volume all the way up as well. So we've turned the volume up for everything on here. Now that we've done that, there are two last steps. One is you're going to clean out your entire phone. Basically, if you're holding the phone up to your ear, the little speaker at the very top, a lot of times cases or especially the screen protectors, they can accumulate gunk and earwax and all that stuff. They can get lint in there over time from your pocket. Basically, it reduces the performance of that speaker. So I recommend taking the case off, taking the screen protector off if it's not in great condition, cleaning that whole area, including and especially that speaker at the top and the speakers at the very bottom. Now, after you've done that, we're just going to hop into our settings here. We can go back, tap on general. And then if you scroll to the very bottom, you can hit this shutdown, or you can just tap and hold this volume up and side button, and that will shut down your phone and restart it. After going through all of these steps, you should have much clearer and crisper sound when you're making calls. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.